Hello everybody. First of all, apologies for not making videos for so long. It's like November already. But yeah, so today's video you may have noticed me carrying this clarinet. And if you don't already know, I play clarinet. So yeah, today's video is all about music. So, how does a clarinet make music? First of all, at the top there is a reed here, which vibrates as you blow into it. So then as this reed vibrates, the vibrations travel down the barrel and then into this joint where there are a bunch of keys. So there are holes here. So for example, this hole here, there are holes on the back as well, and there are also keys. So each of these keys open holes in the instrument. So if you, for example, close a few of these holes, like these, the front, these two, you get a different note. So that's basically how the clarinet works. It just changes the note based on the fingers that are on different holes, if they're on different holes. And also what keys are pressed. For example, this note and if you press this button here are different notes. So yeah, that's pretty much how you change frequency in this clarinet. Now obviously the clarinet is a lot more complicated than just that. For example, you can go over the break even though the fingering is the same. If you press the register key, it will make a whole octave higher. So yeah, it's kind of complicated. So in order to demonstrate how this works, we're going to make our own musical instrument, which is not like a tuning fork or anything. Alright, so in order to make this musical instrument, you need like a straw and also a pair of scissors, which I don't have right now. Hold on. Okay, I have my pair of scissors here and I have my straw. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and cut the straw in diagonal form, like something like this. So cut that bit off. So it's like kind of like this, and then repeat it on the other side. So you now have like a kind of like a pointy thing at the top. So as you can see, it's kind of pointy and it has two wings. Now, and then you have to like squish this kind of make sure that this part is flat. You can use the scissors to like flatten it even more, but once it's flat, kind of, you just blow through it and close your lips on like this part. So as you can see, that makes a very annoying sound, and it's also kind of loud. So the reason this works is because this is kind of like a double reed. It's basically where you like, when air blows through this, kind of like the clarinet reed, these two parts vibrate. I mean, they don't vibrate like visibly enough, but like they do vibrate, and then the sound that's created by this vibration travels down this tube and comes out at this hole. So basically all the sound comes out from this hole. You can experiment by like adding a hole in like the middle, like if you just snip like a little part out. And hold on. Like this, like that's a big hole, but and if you just blow like without covering the hole, first of all, it's really hard. Okay, I'm confused. Hold on. Okay, this does not work. Hold on, let me just do it again. So you can see the original sound, hold on, is, and then if you, for example, like cut like a little bit off of it, like, you can see that's higher. If you cut more off of it, okay, that actually gets kind of hard. Okay, I actually, okay, that's kind of hard. As you can see, it gets higher and higher until you like just can't get the sound out of it. It also gets harder and harder to blow. So, yeah, you can also like experiment with like thinner tubes. Like this one is a lot thinner, so we can try that one if we do like it will not really affect it, but it will just be like kind of like the same, but like. So if we try this. As you can see, it's kind of faint, but it like still creates a sound. Yeah, it's kind of hard on thinner tubes. I recommend using larger tubes or thicker tubes like this. So yeah, you can experiment like different, like if you like actually was able to cut a hole which your finger can cover, you can try experimenting out like if you have like multiple holes along this, and then like you can like maybe like if you like make it correctly, you can maybe play some notes. I don't know. That would be kind of that would be possible, but it would be kind of hard because you have to like use mathematics because this involves standing waves. Cause like so, a brief explanation: are standing waves happen when like you have a wave that's oscillating up and down. It's not moving like left or right. It's just oscillating up and down. So then those standing waves are oscillating in this. So then if you don't have any, it's just going to be one standing wave, like just going just along this, like this. So it's like, so like that, and then it's like just like moving like this. So then, and then if you like add a hole in there, it turns into like two standing waves, one going this and one going like that. So then yeah, but like you can always go into depth later because this is just really kind of basic. But yeah, so then yeah, that's pretty much it. So back to the clarinet. Hold on. So so each of these keys is basically kind of like a hole on the So each of these keys is basically kind of like a hole in the tubes that we made earlier, like the buzzing tube thingies that will like annoy your sibling a lot. And basically, if we like cover all of the holes on the clarinet and just have one standing wave going through the entire instrument, it will produce the lowest sound that the clarinet can make, which is low E. So as you can see, since the clarinet cannot go lower than that, it's only this long. However, if you used a bass clarinet, which is like longer and also like larger, you could actually go to like even lower levels. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. BTW, a capacitor video is coming up soon. So yeah, for those of you who are waiting for one, yeah, wait. It will be coming out soon. And okay, bye-bye.